Hello everyone. Today let's see how we can apply the pending updates to the gateway or how you can roll back to the previous version. Before we do that, couple of things to keep in mind that applying pending updates for runtime release or rolling back to the previous release version is done on the gateway version tab of the API gateway after the runtime release period and until the start of the platform release. You can manually update the pending API gateway updates anytime. The runtime release allows you to select a time within that window that is convenient for you to apply pending features and fixes. The pending updates are applied for API gateway. So if you apply the pending updates during the runtime release window and then change your mind due to any reason, you can remove those updates or roll back to the currently released version. So here are the steps on how you can do this. So basically you go to the configure server section. Under that, choose the gateway name and then you actually go to the gateway version panel where you see the pending version and then you choose that pending version to apply that to the gateway. So the amount of time that it takes is varies based on the activity of the gateway, and there you can see the table where it shows the latest version and current version as well. So let's take a look at the short preview on how this can be done. So I go to configure server gateways and then choose the gateway, and then I go to the gateway version where I can see the current version, pending version, and rollback version. So either I can go and proceed to update the gateway or I can roll back to the previous version. This is the rollback version. All right, these are the steps on how you can roll back the gateway. Hope this helped. Thank you.